Ki Menteri Kesorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hapok kejingelam Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Mentah ketayau kelihar sekonong ba Delhi bade kenduk ya bungut Ki Menteri Kesorkar Pedeng bagentob ya Menteri Rangba Adok Keriu Narendra Modi bad kilabo ya bonteli kejengkerpat ya Kesorkar Pedeng. Bahkan ya raplem ya kejelah haki babon kikam ki ban penmentoy ya kene kejelah. Menteri Rangba Kejelah bat Ki Menteri Kesorkar Jelah kelahir se Delhi naduk kesini ublai jeng ketayo. Bat kesini kong jeng ketayo, Menteri Rangba Kejelah rengkat kejeng senran James PK Sangma, Menteri Ketenat Penmi Boarding, lembat ubak senyau balang dhar, Menteri Ketenat Penroisor, kelekenduk nengkong yu Hardip Singh Puri, Menteri Ketenat Housing bat Urban Affairs, Commerce bat Industries bat Civil Aviation, jong Kesorkar Pedeng. Banyak halor kejeng dan kam jeng Kejelah kebedai bat projek beper ke New Shillong, kejeng tay giyeng bedok, kajing kersan pisah ban penterekam ya William Nagar Water Supply Scheme bat kumjuru bu untuklar ha ban penhek bat penyar ya kikat lingsun ha umroi bat baljek. Hadian kania Menteri Rangba ulalai ikendo ya Gajendra Singh Menteri Ketenat Jal Shakti bat ekran halor kajing penterekam ya Jal Jivan Mission bat kumjuru ban penkuat ya wa amkra bat wa Sherpi bat halor kajing pelat pisah na kebentaki kamring lengba ke PMKSY. Menteri Rangba Kejelah oleh kenduk ru Menteri Ketenat Dilakai Kari Kiren Rijiju badekran halor ki projek belaterwa na ke Khelo India bad kejing terwa ban penlong ya ke North East Youth Festival Shillong ban rakhe ya kejing dap san posnem Kejelah. Hagani keju hi kesengi Menteri Rangba oleh kenduk pat sayu Menteri Ketenat Kamklau Prakash Javadekar badekran halor ki projek Hanokrek Balpakram bat Siju.
We got a positive response in all those aspects. And of course, the government has, the minister has asked us to work out the details. The officials are working on that and seeing how we can take all these issues forward. Apart from that, we also had a meeting today with the Honorable Minister for Jal Shakti. So there were some minor irrigation schemes and schemes under Har Khet Ko Pani. So these projects also, which are the applications and proposals of which are pending with Government of India, we requested Honorable Minister to release the funds and also to approve some of the new proposals that we have put. We discussed about the need for cleaning up our rivers like the Wamukra and the Sherpi, and there was a very positive response from the Honorable Minister. In fact, he has instructed his officials to ensure that this project goes through. And at the same time, there was also discussion regarding Jal Shakti, Jal Jivan Mission. And the Honorable Minister expressed satisfaction in the way Meghalaya is progressing, but he wanted more results, and therefore he has given some very good suggestions, and he has told the state government very specifically that funds will not be an issue in this aspect. So he has urged the state government to ensure that the implementation of the Jal Jivan Mission is done in a very, very aggressive manner.
Kesngi ba arjung katayo Menteri Rangba Kejelah rengkat bar ulampang yang dorbar tauan Kejelah ba amet ba alengdo kelekendo pat saya ke Menteri Ketenat Pelatengka Kesorkar Pedeng kan Nirmala Sitharaman ba kelekerpat ke Menteri bakan ajing kersan lem Kejelah bakan pentrei yak projek beper lengba ke Special Central Assistance. Kini kinong mi khmat Kejelah kelekerpat ru yak ke Menteri bakan yarap lem Kejelah kejing tei thamai yak yang dorbar tauan Kejelah New Shillong kebalabo ban pendap kesnam arhajar arpuar. Kajing kentiu kerdani ki babon ki jaka ajing sumar bat kajing pentrei ki residential school ha Kejelah. Kesorkar Jelah kelekerpat ru ban mang pisah syok sekomba arspa kelur tengka na kebenta ki projek ki barang ya caprang ha Kejelah. Hadian kania ki lalik ikendo opat sayu Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih bat kerpat Menteri buan pelat pisah syok ya Kejelah na kebenta kajing tei ya National Institute of Technology kabarang dan kam pisah sekomba arspa sanpupra kelur tengka. Hagani kesengi Menteri Rangba bat ki Menteri jong Kesorkar Jelah kle kendo ya Menteri Ketenat Dona Dr. Jitendra Singh bat bo ya kejing kerpat ba Ketenat Dona kan the bon kepisah ya Kejelah leng ba projek beper jong ke North East Special Infrastructure Development Scheme bat ke non-lapsable central pool of resources.
In terms of urban housing, we've also asked for financial support from the Government of India for improvement of infrastructure in New Shillong area, where we need more roads and other forms of infrastructure to be developed. So some support from that also has been sought from the Government of India. At the same time, we have also asked for support for water supply scheme for William Nagar. Apart from that, we have also discussed and on how to further expand the operations in Umroi Airport, and at the same time also ensure that we are able to activate the Baljek Airport. And so the required infrastructure, the required support from Government of India was sought to activate Baljek Airport, and officials from the Airport Authority of India were also there. We got a positive response in all those aspects, and of course the government has, the minister has asked us to work out the details. The officials are working on that and seeing how we can take all these issues forward.
Hakas ni palai jangka tayo pat Menteri Rangba ke Jelau lalit ikendo ya Menteri Rangba adu kariu Narendra Modi. Bat penpa kejing sungu ek Sarkar India bat Menteri Rangba adu halor kejing ay kesong pisa basan hajar shis paksan klur tengka naga bahak khajna jangka Sarkar Preng. Bat kesong pisa basi hajar arspa nyup kendai klur tengka naga revenue gap grant jangka senam hajar arpuwei hajar arpuar. Menteri Rangba ke Jelau lo kerpat ru yang Menteri Rangba adu kari banyak lam ke Jelau hek projek beper ke bedai bat kejing ekon bantek lakam ke kejing ke bami na kejing kela kesun beneng nalor kejing penlong ya ke International Conference on Climate Change bat kiwe.